we're going to explain how to make your Excel spreadsheet fit onto a single page. This is super useful for printing, sharing, and just generally making your spreadsheets easier to manage. Here's how. 1. Scale to fit. This is the quickest method. Go to the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, you'll find a section called Scale to Fit. Click the drop-down menu and select Adjust To, then choose a percentage that makes your sheet fit one page. Often 50% or 75% will work. Excel automatically shrinks everything to fit the selected size. Experiment with different percentages to find the best fit while maintaining readability. 2. Adjust margins. Sometimes scaling isn't enough. Head to the Page Layout tab again and click Margins. You have a variety of preset options like narrow, moderate, or wide. Choosing a narrow margin significantly reduces the white space around your data. You can also click Custom Margins to set your own precise measurements, maybe just a ½ inch or even less on all sides. Remember, the smaller the margins, the more data you can squeeze onto the page. 3. Shrink font size. If scaling and adjusting margins still aren't enough, try reducing the font size. Select the entire spreadsheet, Ctrl+A or CMD+A, and then change the font size in the Home tab. You can usually get away with a size like 8 or 9 without losing too much readability. Consider using a more compact font like Arial or Calibri if readability is still a concern. 4. Column width and row height. Excel often uses default column widths and row heights that might be larger than needed. Try adjusting these to fit your content more snugly. Select the columns or rows you want to modify. Then either manually adjust the width height using your mouse by dragging the borders between columns rows, or use the column width and row height options on the Home tab. 5. Print preview. Before printing, always check the print preview. This helps you visualize how the spreadsheet will appear on the page. Click File, then Print, and then select Print Preview. This lets you catch any issues with text being cut off or content not fitting properly, giving you a chance to tweak the settings before wasting paper. 6. Orientation. If your spreadsheet is wider than it is tall, consider changing the page orientation to landscape. Go to Page Layout, and then Orientation, and select Landscape. This will give you a wider area to work with, fitting more data horizontally. If you have a tall and narrow spreadsheet, Portrait is better. By combining these methods, you should be able to get almost any Excel spreadsheet to fit neatly onto a single page. Remember to experiment and find the combination that works best for your specific data and desired level of readability.